Cape Fear Heating and Cooling, keeping you comfortable. Professional heating and cooling service for all your commercial and residential needs. Home generators and water heaters, built on family, built on efficiency.
Hi, I'm Daine Smith with Cape Fear Heating and Cooling, and welcome to our new facility located in Elizabethtown at 1110 South Poplar Street, just down from the middle school. We're excited. We have enough room now to showcase our manufacturers. We have equipment on display from Ream Manufacturing, packaged equipment, split systems up to 20 SEER, inverter technology. Really have some good ducted options. We also have, by Ream Manufacturing, their water heaters, offering on-demand solutions, big utility saver. We offer ultra air dehumidification. We do that with whole house dehumidification and crawl space care as needed. We also offer Mitsubishi electric mini splits. Mitsubishi has really taken a hold of the market as far as their mini splits go, and they're ridiculously efficient. Lastly, we offer Briggs & Stratton whole house generators. Their Fortress brand is dealer exclusive, offering 10 years parts and labor warranty for up to 20 kWs. Please join us on December 30th, which is Monday, this coming Monday, from 4 to 6 for a ribbon cutting. We're excited about it. We want to see you here. We're going to have refreshments and giveaways for everyone. Hope to see you there.
Water heaters, built on family, built on